Good evening. It is very nice to have you here once again. I am joined by, of course, the ever wonderful... That was your cue.
My cue?
Yes,
Well, I'm waiting for my introduction here.
This is your...
I want all the praise and the love. I want fans. I want applause and fireworks.
You
Go.
will certainly get fire, and it will certainly do the works on you. I'll allow that. Yeah, I'm here with Jan, and we're gonna have a bash at Age of Wonders 3.
How's everyone? Welcome.
Yeah, that's the point. How has your day been?
Very well, very well.
I wasn't talking to you, I was talking to the audience.
Beautiful sunny day.
Talking to the audience.
Alright.
Mr. Audience, Mrs. Audience, how have you been today?
It's gonna be an awkward silence.
Yeah?
You know?
Yeah, really? Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Well, hopefully it's looking up for you anyway. So anyway, yeah, as Jan was saying, it's been a... Oh, well, you tell them actually, you were fucking saying it.
It's been a lovely sunny day in Scotland, so...
Fucking terrible.
A very rare occasion for Ryan, who's born on the wrong side of the ocean. Obviously a horrible day, but for a proper continental European, a real person, a real human being, it's actually very enjoyable.
Are you
Over
done?
to you, Ryan.
Are you done? Are you done being all, you know... Listen, I was raised in the cold and the rain. I'm used to the cold and the rain. I didn't do with fucking sunshine. I can see the sky. This is not natural, ladies and gentlemen. So yeah. Anyway, back to this.
Speaking of unnatural things, welcome to our Age of Wonders gameplay.
That was a very professional segue there, Jan.
Yeah, I know. Thank you.
We're playing Age of Wonders, yes. But there's a very unique twist tonight. Would you like to tell them what that is, Jan?
Booze.
Booze!
All the booze. So we are already on... 3 beers each.
Ugh.
And a lot of beef jerky.
Oh yeah, so I'm eating beef jerky as well.
We will give it a special tone tonight. There'll be slurring, and there'll be lack in speech. There'll be words that will be forgotten. We travel back to the more ancient roots of language, shall we say.
As you can tell from that utterly shit description provided by Jan, we're already half cut. So,
fantastic.
Yeah, pretty much. So we're gonna have a go at this, and we're gonna see how far we get before one of us either wins or passes out drunk. I'm eating beef jerky, and because I'm mildly allergic to spice, the pain is keeping me sober. So yeah, let's. So I should have a distinct advantage. But I tell you what, let's launch into this and pick our heroes and see, or leaders rather, and see how we get on.
Let's hit it. Do you already have a preference in mind? Do you take something pre-built, or shall we just?
I always take pre-built.
Pre-built. All right.
Yeah.
Also takes quite a bit of time. That's true.
Yeah. So this faction I will probably pick for an obvious reason. Makes me seem like a little bit more of a well, maybe not
warmongerer.
Not a warmongerer, perhaps, but
warmongerer.
I am not a warmongerer. Warmongerer. If you don't stop, I'll declare war on you. What am I? Yes. So I am going to play this faction right here, and I am going to play... Oh, I don't really know which one to pick here. What are you looking at, Jan?
I think I'll go either for a very sneaky action, so a human rogue, an archdruid elf.
Very well. I
think I liked it.
Very well.
Like the Elven King from The Hobbit.
Oh, Thranduil.
Why not? Why not?
I shall go for a Warlord Orc. Orthrang the Unchained.
Are we gonna clash so hard?
Oh god, yes.
Okay,
So, if you're ready...
Yes, I am. Galandil Vorlas is ready.
Then let's drop it like it's hot.
Well, so hot. So hot.
Mmm. Oh, beef jerky pain. Oh, nom nom nom.
Okay, let's do this. Jesus Christ. I'm at the...
Oh, no, sorry, I wasn't...
No, you find out. I ain't tell you.
I ain't gonna tell you nothing, copper.
I ain't tell you.
Yeah, let's get that one. What the hell does this do? Oh yeah. Let's get that one. And then that. So that's my first few turns of construction set out at least. So let's go exploring. What's here? Well, there's a city over there. Come on, run, you bastard. Mines. Who the fuck is that? Oh, some lovely gold mines over there. Oh god, excuse me.
You're a pig, Ryan.
Shut up! Oh fuck, I clicked the wrong button. Right, I meant to auto-combat this, ladies and gentlemen, but I accidentally clicked manual, so here we go. The hell is this?
And I'm stuck. Yep.
Choking fumes spreads manager food perspective, causing all... What? Oh my god in heaven!
What?
Like a really bad thing. Hang
Is
on.
it?
Target you. Who's this gonna? Yeah, you. So that should burn him. Oh god, I'm too mind-numbingly drunk for this. Would I say that? Here, you do this. I don't really know what I'm doing, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, so fuck, move. You seem like a rage unit, so move back to here.
I have
Oh, well,
moving
fuck.
on my map.
That's not good.
You
I
lose your
accidentally.
leader.
Well, no, I moved a unit and I thought I was moving him back really far, but what I actually did was move him off the map, so he's gone. So I'm now a unit down for this combat. You are out of range. Can I not just like... Okay, I should make it clear at this point that myself and Jan have only ever had one test run of this, and that's been pretty much it. We don't really know what we're doing. So yeah, this is interesting.
Ryan,
Okay.
I have super lag. Lag.
No, that's probably not moving because I'm in a combat.
Could be.
Like I'm in an actual proper melee combat.
That makes sense.
You cannot hit him. There's no point in doing that. Can you? No, you're out of range and you're out of range. So move to here. Are you now in range? Yes. Do that then. And then crossbow. Move to here and do that. Oh, oh shit. Oh, fuck. Oh,
It's going that well.
Oh, for fuck. I keep clicking the wrong fucking thing. Yeah, it's going really fucking well. I accidentally retreated a unit. Oh my god. Oh my god. Right.
Yes.
I didn't realize the enemies had blunderbusses. Which pretty much just fucked me up.
Is it burning through yet?
They oh my god. Move to there. Oh shit, I hit the mic. Jesus. This is very this is not...
You do a lot of swearing.
I do a lot of panicking. So I lost...
Oh, now I'm moving. Alright. Did you end the battle?
Yes.
Alright, okay, then that makes sense. Okay, some wild animal.
Can I not, like, merge these two? There we go. Oh yeah, shit. Just start with this. Do it with a research, inspire loyalty. No, this one.
I'll build a henge.
A henge?
To generate a henge. Like Stonehenge.
Oh, fair enough.
And a high elf longbowman. 2 actually.
Right, that's me.
Then I shall go for my first battle.
I apologize, ladies and gentlemen. This is off to a... The hell's that noise?
The 3 minutes most likely are over real soon.
Oh yeah.
Where's the counter?
I heard hammers, and I thought, what the fuck is that? Counter's in the bottom left.
Victory! Oh, I lost 2 units. No! The bottom left, you say? Oh yeah. New round.
Yep, new round. 200 gold. Cannot speed up the production of anything. Yeah, good. What the hell is that? Oof, let's go nowhere near that fucking thing. Like a big mound of treasure. Go pick up the big mound of treasure. And then head this way. This is a fucking dead end. My armies are so slow.
If you had figured out how the spellbook works.
Fair play. 4 fucking...
To cast.
Jan seems pleased. This can only be bad news.
I cast fertile domain onto my lands. The sleeping land is awakened, causing nature's bounties to flourish. Boosts the population growth of the target city owned by the caster with plus 200. And now I will reinforce it. Increase the spell's integrity to make it harder for your enemies to disjunct it.
Meanwhile, I'm summoning hellhounds.
Yeah, it looks really pretty. I'm very pleased with this spell. Now what next? Ooh, I need to collect more mana most likely. Where are my resources displayed? Up here.
Yep, oh yeah, again, The learning curve.
Learning curve.